So, ayun, updated na 1,362. Meron kasi tayong mga open trades, no? So, hi guys, so today ito is just recap sa ating pinaka-challenge dito. Discussions natin dito is that yung performance natin, so ito is ginagawa natin every day sa loob ng 30 days just to challenge myself for my self-growth dito guys, and para na rin masagot yung mga questions nyo ng live sa ating live streams guys. No? So today basically yung pinaka-topic or discussions lang natin dito is yung pinaka-performance natin dito, paano maging consistent, maging profitable traders. Itong mga challenge na to guys, mapapansin nyo to sa ating YouTube channel, no? So, meron tayong mga ginagawang challenge, kahit ano man yung condition ng crypto market, nasa bear, bull market man ito, no? So, today, before tayo dito mag-start guys, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first and subscribe na rin sa ating YouTube channel, turn all the bell icon para manotify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, no? So, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa dashboard natin. Makikita nyo dito yung pinaka PNL natin for 4 months, no? Total PNL natin sa loob ng 30 days. Ito is that cover pa lang nito is 20 days guys, no? So makikita natin dito sa taas yung pinaka runtime, which is ayun, makikita natin. So nasa 20 days na siya ngayon. Ito makikita nyo to guys during our live, no? So punta lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel, tapos sa may live tab makikita nyo. We do live streams daily dito sa loob ng 30 days, and nasa day 90 na tayo. So kahit papaano, yung pinaka milestones natin dito guys is that mahit sana yung 100k hopefully, pero yung pinaka main goal is that yung 1M, yan yung pinaka motivations natin para mahit yung, or magkaroon tayo dito ng, or ma-inspire tayo, ma-motivate tayo to do live streams, to do or to take trades dito daily guys, no? So ngayon, as we can see, meron tayo ditong pinaka PNL, total PNL natin. Refresh ko lang siguro dito kasi we have open positions, no? So ROI natin is nasa 370.87 sa loob ng 20 days. So total PNL natin ayun 330 na. So meron kasi tayong mga open orders dito, 330.70. Refresh lang natin para ma-make sure natin na tama itong tinitingnan natin. So 30 days total PNL, ito makikita natin. So 1,330.70 in USDT. So more or less nasa 75,000 itong profits natin sa loob ng 20 days guys, no? And yan, if we calculate ito, so for example 75 and then divide natin in 20 days, is that yung daily average natin dito is nasa 3,750 guys, no? So as per calculation natin dito, no? So yun, isa sa mga questions dito is that paano maging profitable, paano maging consistent when you do trades. So isa sa pinaka-challenging yan if ever na you learn candlesticks, ang mga patterns and technical analysis, no? So next step is that paano ka tatagal sa market, paano ka maging consistent, maging profitable para ma-hit mo yung mga goals mo sa trading, no? So on my end, I just, or sobrang laking factor nung tinatawag natin na experience guys, no? So when I started back in 2016, I started from scratch talaga. So yung mga mistakes ko before is that I compounded that para to learn more pa dito in trading guys, no? So basically yung mga strategy ko naman dito na ginagamit is that sobrang basic lang. I look for the order book behavior, moving average, volume, how the RSI behave. So basically dinidiscuss naman natin yan during our live guys, no? So pwede nyong panoorin or pwede kayong manood ng live streams natin at magtanong during our live dito guys, no? So sa pagiging profitable trader guys, as mentioned, yung experience, it's a big factor yan guys, no? Kasi siya yung magko-convince sa'yo na i-follow yung crafted systems mo, na magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa trading. At the same time, you have this attitude na you accept kung ano man yung binigay sa'yo na result ng market, no? So say for example, may time na mahina or there's a scenario on my end na sobrang sa tingin ko is masyado ako na overwhelmed. So I think that's very normal lang. It normally happens, no? So you need to acknowledge that hindi mo pwedeng counterin yung market kasi if ever you counter the market, it will amplify yung emotions mo at madidistract ka dun sa pinaka-strategy. At dyan na masisira yung momentum or yung focus mo sa pagtitrade guys, no? So, yun, you need to acknowledge your weakness, yun siguro. And then, if ever kasi na you trade based on your emotion, sobrang risky niyan guys, no? At kalaban mo na dyan is yung emotion mo, yung sarili mo na. Yung market, wala namang ginagawa eh. Andyan lang yan. So, yun, isa siguro yun sa bibigay ko lang na idea sa inyo guys, no? You need to acknowledge your weakness when you do trades. Yung disiplina. You can see naman, if you observe, hindi tayo masyadong gumagamit ng sobrang technical indicator when I do live streams. Napaka-simple lang. Pero yung nagmamatter dyan is yung pinaka-results or yung magiging performance natin guys. No? So yun guys, I'd like to share lang ito in a concise and short. Maybe hopefully you motivate sa mga ginagawa natin dito sa end natin. Hope you learn something. Don't afraid to learn from your trades, no? If may mga mistakes man kayo dito na na-encounter, just use that para mas matuto pa, makapag-build up ng crafted systems nyo or systematic trades nyo in the future, guys, no? So, it takes time, yung trading, especially on my end, it takes almost years to, until now, I still learning sa market. I did not consider myself as expert or whatnot. I just share kung ano yung mga nakikita ko sa market, yung experience ko, and para sa mga aspiring traders na magkaroon din ng ideas dito guys, no? So, yun, hope you get some ideas today, hope you inspire, hope you learn something today guys. Abangan nyo yung mga live natin sa ating YouTube channel. So, ayun, updated na, 1,362. Meron kasi tayong mga open trades, no? So, yun, sa live streams natin, everyday naman sa loob ng 30 days. And you have the opportunity to ask questions during our live kung ano man yung gusto nyong malaman dito sa mundo ng crypto, sa trading as well. So, yun, I think that's it for today guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. I really appreciate your time dito sa panunood ng video natin. That's it for today. Peace out. Bye for now.